What's going on, man?
Man, I didn't expect to have to
Call me this soon? How's it going?
So,
Good to see you.
Good, man?
Yeah, man.
So that deer ran. It's going to be right up here on that ridge somewhere. You got your maps this time?
I think so. Hopefully. I downloaded the maps after we talked last time because in case I came back out here.
If this don't work out, I'm going back to doe only. So I guess I'm hunting somewhere right in here, and it would have ran somewhere right in.
Oh, okay, so he ran towards the ridge.
Yep.
Towards the, okay. We'll stay a little closer.
Yeah, he stopped at probably 100 yards from the tree.
This might be, no, this isn't. Something in there. And just a doe bedded right here.
Yeah. Damn, that's crazy.
Man, that stuff is thick. Oh my goodness. Like I caught a glimpse of something right in here. I thought it probably has moved.
I don't know how you differentiate.
It's just a faint little peak of, you know, red. And I'm gonna mark that, but I may have to do another pass over some of this really thick stuff and I'm not gonna go as far this time and just assume he didn't go past the first set of thick stuff.
Chad's quick to tell me to fucking call a drone without even looking for damn
Yeah.
blood or nothing. when it's me spending the damn money.
Yeah, that's drainage. Yeah, so see right there where my finger is?
Mm-hmm.
See how it kind of pops right there?
Yeah.
Where's the one I just saw? There it is. What am I looking at here? I think it's just a doe. Yeah, just a doe there. I don't see any horns. Some of these, like these pines that's so thick like that.
Yeah, you ain't gonna be able to get it.
That's well, I
where it's
mean,
gonna be.
well, what I don't know is, I mean, all I can tell is what I can see from up here, and it definitely seems like it's. Let's see what it looks like. I mean, it's hard to tell. I might get what I saw earlier might not have been anything, and I might get a nice heat signature through that. I need to find a good example, obviously, of a deer in it. All right, come on. Turn off that light. Whoa. There we go. It's not that very big drone, but.
Yeah, it's still.
A little nerve-wracking. Let me do a quick pass over kind of along the road and just kind of. Doesn't seem like. What is that? Oh, that's just a treetop. Doesn't seem like the deer would run to the road, but.
His camera's down that way.
Yeah.
Unless he's got a pick with a fucking knot.
Yeah. Yep.
Man, this is wild.
That's a transformer. Okay.
this was going to be a lot easier than
Yeah, I thought so too. That's just a doe. Yeah. Yeah.
But it was the taller pines or the shorter pines you having trouble seeing?
What are the ones nearest us, okay, on this side of the ridge.
Okay.
All right, let me check this out. This is a deer, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, he's not even barely outside the head, is he?
Hmm?
He's not even barely outside the head, is he?
No, I think that left one is just kind of little tiny thing. I don't see anything.
That's not him.
Yep.
That green knot should have either broken off and be somewhere or still in.
So at this point, we've flown what you see there in the yellow on the screen, and we're about to fly the green path roughly. And unfortunately, I did not restart the recording, so bear with me. I do have the sound from the microphone, and we'll get back to some video at the end when we confirm if this is or is not our deer. Come on. All right, here is a deer with antlers right on the edge of these pines. He's got some horns. That looks like he might be outside the ears.
Yeah. Is he moving that?
He's moving his head.
Alright, that's the size right there.
Yeah.
That's the size. Can you see?
Where's his
I'm
body?
trying, huh? His
Oh,
body's
okay.
to the right.
Oh,
Okay.
that's why we don't see
Oh,
the arrow.
oh.
He's laying on that side. He's laying on there.
What is that?
I thought I saw something flash.
It is flashing. It might be wetness in the tree
Okay.
that my light's reflecting off of.
He's
I don't know. Look at that. That looks like a wound, doesn't it? Hi?
I think it's him.
I think that's the blood.
Yeah.
Be red.
Whew. Okay.
All you needed was the damn chair.
I just needed the chair. So, right there is the corner of the pines right there.
Where's he at?
Right there. There's something else on the edge over there too, but
I don't know if you partake or not, but I've got a beard.
no thanks.
Okay.
I'm gonna get a battery and get right back on top of him. He's not moving. He's not moving fast, that's for sure. And I think that was blood we saw. But that also meant it looked like it was pretty high, which means he might have just got backstrap. All right. So I was not recording, but we think we've got this deer. Okay. So he's right there. We caught him on the thermal, just on the edge of these pines, and then he moved in here, and I do believe this is the deer. Oh yeah. That is him for sure. That is him. Okay. Yep, we found him. He's definitely wounded. And I managed not to record it. Looks like backstrap mostly. So in the end, we found the deer, and he took one of these two paths from the shot location. The upper path was actually past a camera. They did get a camera shot within a minute of the deer being shot. They couldn't 100% be sure it was him. But so either the upper path or the lower path, both of which end up being over 650 yards from shot location to where we found the buck. They went to find the deer the next morning, and he was not where we left the pen. And they ended up seeing him on a camera 2 days later.